What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing the fastest way to blur out faces. God damn, dig it there. The software I'm going to be using is going to be Davinci Resolve, and this software is absolutely free. I'm going to put the link in the description so you can download it and follow on. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost you need to find your footage. You can hit this icon to see the thumbnail view. For me, I know what it's called, so I'm just going to go here, drag it across. Okay, then I'm going to click on the footage, find an in and out point where I want to start and end, and hit I for in, O for out. Then I'm going to right click it and hit create new timeline using selected clips. This is going to put this clip into a timeline. Then you hit that, hit create, or bam. Then you go to the bottom, and if you hit edit, you can see you're in the timeline. But what we're going to do is hit color. So go down here, hit color. Hold on, let me move myself to the right. Okay, once you hit color, I've gone from edit to color. This is where the magic happens. I'm going to go back to the beginning. Go to this window here, it might be on curves by default, hit this icon, the circle, hit window, then go to the circle over here. Once we do that, scale it and put it over her face. You can scroll into your mouse, you can zoom in. So you're going to put it over to her face, right? Once you do that, go to this window here, which is the tracker icon. Very important, watch. This is crazy, watch. Go to the tracker and then hit this icon here, which is, fast forward. Once you track forward, bang! Ooh, God damn. As you can see, it's tracking her face in real time, which is crazy. Look, no hands, it's doing everything for us. And if I go back to play it again, you can see that the window is staying on her face. No matter how she moves, no matter how the camera is moving left or right, it's staying on it perfectly. So essentially what we're going to do now is put the blur effect on. So if you hit open FX here, top right corner, find Gaussian blur, put that on top of this node here, bam. You can adjust the strength. If I play the video, voila, sensational, it's complete. Okay, just to recap, step number 1, import your footage, right click to create a timeline, then navigate to the color page at the bottom corner. Step number 2, navigate to the window page, then click on the circular mask and reposition it onto the face that you want. Step number 3, navigate to the tracker tab and then fast forward the track. Once that's complete, open the effects panel at the top right corner, find Gaussian blur, drag it onto the node, and voila, complete. Sensational. Right guys, if you like this video, share, subscribe, comment, like. If you want me to make more video tutorials, let me know. I'll be making in this software because it's free and you guys can follow along too. Also, shout out to everybody who's tagged me on Instagram for any of their pictures, the seamless multi-post pictures, any pictures at all. I'm going to start featuring people's Instagram photos at the end of each video. Peace.